Hello, my dear. Today we're going to make a very simple appetizer with only 3 ingredients. The one that my late father loved so much that he almost cooked every single season whenever he could find the material. The main character of this show is going to be the eggplant. I bought the Chinese or Korean eggplant, and you can literally use any other eggplant. Remember to trim the stem before you clean it. I use my hand to peel it. You can use a knife if you don't want to hurt your fingernail. Once it's done, just clean it and cut it into a proper size that can fit into the container you would like to store it later on. Split in the middle. Make sure don't cut through. Just split in the middle so that we can have the garlic stored in between. But don't cut through. You still need to keep it in one piece. It will be easy. Steam the prepared eggplant for about 8 minutes after boiling. Meanwhile, we're going to prepare the garlic. Let me teach you an easier way to peel the garlic. Cut the end of the garlic. Don't cut through, just peel. Let's do it one more time. Cut, don't cut through, peel. Cut, don't cut through, peel. Now after this, it will be very easy for you to just peel it, and you have perfectly peeled garlic very easily. I promise you, you can do this in 5 minutes. If it's still hard, you can soak it in the water, and it will be very easy to peel. Once the garlic is ready, just press them. Because I don't have a garlic press that I couldn't find at my house, and so I just use my knife to chop and cut, press, do whatever I can to make the dish. But if you do have a garlic press, it works better. Chop, chop, chop. And then just put it in a container. Add some salt. Add a little bit of water and make it easier to spread later on. Now the eggplant is ready, just cool it down before you use it. And then when it's cooled down, just spread the garlic mix on top of the 2 pieces, 1 piece cut in middle. And now you know why you need to split in the middle, because it's easier to spread the garlic. Don't put too much. I know internet has some version that has a lot of garlic stuck in between. It's gonna be very spicy unless you really like it, then go for it. But for me, this is good enough. Whatever left over, just put on top. Cover it. Keep it in the refrigerator for 8 hours minimum, then it's ready to eat. The color of the garlic could change into green. Don't be afraid. This is absolutely normal just because of the salt. You can eat this with porridge, noodle, or just treat it as an appetizer. Eat it before the dinner. It's very tasty, healthy. I hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe and see you next time. Thank you.